itong steps na supposedly dinagdag, talagang nandyan na po dapat? Kasi sabi niyo po kanina...
Nandyan na.
So, hindi siya
maski
dagdag?
Hindi tama yun, hindi tama. Kasi kung basahin mo yung House of Representatives po, ako naman ay ordinaryong abogado lamang ng taga-probinsya, no? Although nagtuturo ako ng batas, matagal na. Makikita mo kung basahin mo yung anong tawag dito, yung Rules of Procedure nila. Section 2, anong nakasaad doon, no? Impeachment shall be initiated by the filing and subsequent referral to the Committee of Justice. Regardless as to whether you file it in the first mode, yung individual House of Representatives member, or ordinary citizen upon a resolution of endorsement by a member of the House of Representatives, or 1/3 vote. Kasi may punto din ang Korte Suprema dito, hindi ito additional process. It is already a process stated in the House rules mismo. Kasi kinakailangan na i-verify pa rin ng Committee on Justice kung verified nga, kung nabigyan ba talaga ng lahat ng members ng House of Representatives ng kopya ng complaint, at saka kung sakali katulad ng kaso na ito, kung meron ng na-file at na-refer na sa Committee on Justice at saka i-refer na rin doon sa plenary para mabigyan yung Committee on Justice ng option din na i-consolidate ito before it is transmitted to the plenary for approval again and transmitted to the Senate thereafter.